Today I'm going to show you how to change the car battery. So you have this mounting bracket, and this one goes all the way down to, I don't know if you could see it, all the way down to the under the tray, right over there. It hooks on to the bottom of the battery tray. So the plan is to take the bracket off. I'm going to try to take it off with the socket and ratchet. This particular car is 2014 Toyota Sienna. But no matter what the car is, the battery is going to be the same. Some things might be on top of the battery in some models, but overall you have the positive and negative terminal that you have to disconnect, and usually there's a bracket that holds the battery in place. This one is easy and simple, it's right there. So I got the last mounting bolt off, bracket is off. Now I'm going to take off negative first. You always take the negative terminal off first, and negative terminal you always install it the last. So, and positive terminal is going to get taken off or removed second. So I took off the negative first, and then I'm going to go take off the positive terminal. It's important that I didn't take positive terminal off because the negative terminal is connected to the metal of the car. Anywhere in the engine is negative. So imagine if the screws got connected to the positive terminal, you would have a big spark. You would basically short out the positive to negative. That's why you should always take the negative out, so it disconnects the negative terminal from the engine, and then you go ahead and take the positive off. So this is what the tray looks like. If you like, you could clean it. Good opportunity to clean the battery tray right now. I have not cleaned it because I was in a rush to get this battery in. This is the old battery. You want to pay attention to the amps and 125 minutes and what type of it says group 24F. You want to go to the store and make sure you get those in your new battery. You don't want to downsize on battery capacity. This particular one is 30-month free replacement, so I could just go ahead and get it replaced. So I'm gonna go and first, remove the terminal covers, and then I gotta install the bracket in place. Very important. You don't want the battery to be moving while you're driving. And remember what I said, we're going to install the negative terminal last because you do not want to cause a short from positive to anywhere on the frame. Anywhere on the frame is called ground. It's grounded, connected directly. The frame of the car, metal frame of the car, is connected directly to the battery. And this is where the hook goes for the mounting bracket. If you look closely, you will see it. So I'm going to just get it lined up. I'm going to put the screw back in just the way I found it. You want to make sure that the battery bracket is installed in place, and then we're going to go ahead and install the connections. If you like this video, find it useful, please like it, subscribe, ring the bell, share it with your family or friends. I have gone and connected the negative terminal last. I have already connected the positive. Sorry, I wasn't able to record that, but I connected positive first and then lastly negative.